Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your OPPO A6x. So first, you guys want to go over to settings. Then in the settings, go to the battery settings. So you need to scroll a bit down. You see battery, click it. And here, you guys want to go to battery usage. So this phone is freshly new, there's nothing on it, but here you guys have the battery usage by app, and here you need to detect the ones with the highest usage. Now I'm gonna click here and we can force stop it, as you guys can see. So now the power consumption ratio should definitely drop by this app. We can also go for the power saving settings and scroll down here to app battery management at the bottom. And what this would do, we can search for the apps right here that are using a lot of the background. Here, let's say Spotify, we want to restrict the background activity. Now, this will of course limit the app because most Spotify users listen to it in the background, but it's just an example. You can change every single app that you do not use in the background as restricted. Next, what we're going to do is we want to make sure that we uninstall the bloatware. This is very important. We have the apps like this one, for an example. We want to click uninstall on it, and this is what we want to do with the bloatware because it's just bloating our phone. We do not really need it. And after you delete every single bloatware here, there's a lot of it here, so after you delete it, what you guys want to do is simply restart the phone. This is very important. First, we're gonna restart it so the system refreshes up. We're gonna press the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe up to restart it, and now the device is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what we want to do is we want to wait for our Wi-Fi to turn back on. We need to see the icon on the status bar. Everything's loading. As you guys can see, this is what a restart does. Now we're gonna hit the Play Store. And in the Play Store, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install the AccuBattery. So this is the battery diagnostic app. So we wanna go over to search. Now we wanna search for the apps and games, and then type in the AccuBattery. Here, we're gonna click the search, and we wanna install this app right here. Do not install the first one. Install this app, click here, and it should install in a quick second. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now we're gonna click open, and here we need to use this app for some time. This is very important. First of all, using the app. Now, as you guys can see, it's calibrating. So this is thinking that it's charging our phone, so we need to wait for a second or just plug the phone in and out. Now here we can continue. We're gonna click here, and this is the calibration that has just been completed. Here we have our battery design. We're gonna click finish, and here what we're gonna do first is go over to health. This is what is interesting for us. We want to make sure that we have battery health and estimated capacity right here. So even though we have it in the settings, we can check it more here. So this is like a better app for it. And what we want to do here is we're gonna need to charge our phone at least 5 times. Make sure that we discharge it to at least 15% or lower. The lower the better. And after 5 valid charges, you will see everything right here. Now, of course, you can check the history of your battery wear and usage. You guys can also go for the discharging and see battery at which percent lasts for how long. Of course, for charging, you guys can see that if we want to charge to 100%, then it will cost 0.51 cycles in wear. So this is half a cycle. It's actually a lot. Now, if we want to charge to the 80%, as you guys can see, from 80% to 92, for an example, it will cost us only 0.28 cycles. So this is not a lot. This is actually a very small number. Make sure to not charge your phone to 100% unless you're doing those 5 full charges, but then just stop and make sure that you charge your phone to 80 or 85%. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the authorized service store if the issue is still not fixed. If our battery is still getting drained even after those 5 full charges, even after uninstalling the bloatware and setting the highest usage apps to restrict it in the background, then something's wrong. And what we want to do is simply go to the authorized service, because there may be an error that a normal user like us just can't find. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.